In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force dark mode on any website in Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. If you use your browser a lot, especially at night or in low-light environments, forcing dark mode on websites can make pages much more comfortable to look at. It can also help reduce eye strain and create a more consistent browsing experience across sites that do not offer their own built-in dark theme. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to turn on this feature in both Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome on a Windows 11 computer. To begin, open either Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, depending on which browser you want to use. This process is very similar in both browsers, so once you learn it in one, you'll know how to do it in the other as well. Next, click into the address bar at the top of the browser. If you're using Microsoft Edge, type edge flags and then press Enter. If you're using Google Chrome, type Chrome/flags and press Enter. This will open the browser's experimental features page. These flags are built-in settings that let you enable optional features that may not be turned on by default. Once that page opens, use the search bar near the top and look for Auto Dark Mode for web contents. This is the setting that tells the browser to automatically apply a dark appearance to websites, even if those sites do not officially support dark mode on their own. When you find it, click the drop-down menu next to that option and change it to Enabled. Be careful to select the correct setting, since the flags page can contain many experimental options. Enabling only the one you need helps avoid unnecessary changes. After that, you'll see a relaunch button appear, usually near the bottom of the browser. Click Relaunch to restart the browser and apply the change. Make sure you've saved anything important in open tabs first, just in case you're in the middle of filling out a form or reading something important. Once the browser reopens, visit any website and check how it looks. In many cases, the page should now automatically appear in a dark theme. Some websites may look better than others, since this feature is applied by the browser and not always designed specifically for each site. Still, for most people, it's a very useful way to make browsing more comfortable. And that's how to force dark mode on almost any website in Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome on Windows 11.